During the unveiling event of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, Google put an emphasis on the AI capabilities of these devices. However, an intriguing rumor suggests that Samsung is ready to take it up a notch with their flagship, the Galaxy S24. Samsung aims to position the S24 series as the AI phones, on the market surpassing even what Google offers with its Pixel lineup. While details about Samsung's strategy to achieve this ambition are scarce, we have been informed that the Galaxy S24 series will include features inspired by ChatGPT and Google Bard. These features will enable users to generate content and stories based on a set of provided keywords. Additionally, Samsung has developed its innovations in areas like text-to-image generative AI, which was previously mentioned during the announcement of Exynos 2400. Many of these advancements will be accessible both online and offline, enhancing user experiences significantly. Notably, improvements in speech-to-text functionality are also expected as part of this endeavor. Again, it's uncertain what specific enhancements will be made. We can anticipate that Bixby will engage in more realistic and intelligent conversations with users. Samsung is not abandoning Bixby. In fact, the company seems to be focusing on it as smartphone manufacturers embrace intelligence to restore interest in their devices. Currently, Google appears to be the contender in this regard, and Samsung aims to join the fray. In terms of AI tasks, the upcoming Galaxy S24 series is expected to outperform Pixel smartphones due to the enhanced Exynos and Snapdragon chips. However, without witnessing their performance, it's difficult to determine precisely how fast these forthcoming phones will be. Ideally, Samsung will manage to keep details about the S24's AI capabilities under wraps until its release, then having them leak through unofficial sources or rumors. Meanwhile, in news, the Geekbench benchmark tool has provided insights into the performance and key specifications of the global version of Samsung Galaxy S24. A model identified as SMS 921B has made an appearance on Geekbench, likely to be the European variant of Galaxy S24 based on information. According to the benchmark results, this device is equipped with the launched Exynos 2400 processor by Samsung. The Geekbench 6 scores indicate that it offers a single-core score of 2011 and a multi-core score of 6086, which represents an improvement compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23. However, it falls short when compared to Apple's iPhone 15, which achieved scores with 2559 in core and 6375 in multi-core performance. This suggests that Samsung might have chosen Exynos as its base variant for this model. Nevertheless, these benchmark results hold promise for a device. Fortunately, we won't have to wait, as it is expected to launch in January next year. With all this information at hand, what are your thoughts on these results? Could the S24 series be a game-changing lineup for Samsung next year? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to check out our channel for more updates. Looking forward to connecting with you in the next one. Till then, take care.